Hey guys, welcome back to the Envision Garage Series. Kyle here with Envision Building Products. I wanted to walk you through face fastening for the fluted profile board as we've already went through the full profile board. As you can see here, we do have quite a bit of meat left here on the edges of the boards, which is pretty rare to find out in the market today. I wanted to do a couple demos for you here. I'll start out and show you pre-drilling one first. We're going to stay 3/4 from the end and 1 inch from the edge of the board. Run that out, switch your bit back over to the T20. This screw still has all the features of the screw that I mentioned in the last video. As you can see there, it runs in like butter. This one here, I fastened on this side, but I'll go ahead and show you what it's like fastening without pre-drilling. Once again, we're going to stay 1 inch away from the edge of the board here. And there you go.
All right, now that we've finished driving the fasteners in, I want to talk to you about the placement and the depth of the fasteners. It's really important to take note that you need to stay 3/4 of an inch from the end of the board, as well as 1 inch from the side of the board. Fasteners should be installed flush with the board surface and no more than 1/16 of an inch below the surface of the board.